Welcome to the channel Serene Sunset 2. About Windows File Management. This lesson file management. Let's see the points. First point, I know that the work done on a computer is stored in the form of a file. Second point, I know that group of files stored under a common name is called a folder. Third point, I know that File Explorer is vertically divided into two panes, i.e. left and right pane. Fourth point, I know that copy means placing the same file folder to a new location without removing it from its original location. Fifth point, I know that move means removing the file folders from its original location and placing it to a new location. Sixth point, I fully know that the delete files move into the recycle bin.
Fill in the blanks. A computer represents a file and folder with.
An icon.
So you mean every file and folder has a unique icon in the computer?
Yes.
A folder inside another folder is called
Subfolder.
File Explorer is divided into how many panes?
Left and right pans.
We can press a key to select all the files and folders at the same time.
Control A.
You mean Control plus A together on the same time.
Yes.
Can you differentiate between file and folder?
Yes.
Tell me what is a file.
Files are individual pieces of data where the data is filled.
How about folder?
A folder holds one or more files, and a folder can be empty until it is filled.
Can you differentiate between copying file and moving file? So
Sure.
first tell me copying file.
Copying creates a duplicate file or folder keep on original place.
Moving file.
The move deletes the original file or folder.
Can you write true and false in front of all the statement?
Sure.
A file is collection of data and information. Is it true or false?
It is true.
A file and folder are represented with the same icon.
False.
Copying a file removes it from its original location. Is it true or false?
It is false because copying file not removes it from original place, but it is in original place, but it makes one more file, one more
Copy.
copy.
Control plus A is used to select all the files in the folder. Is it true or false?
It is true.
Control plus X is used to cut any file or folder. Is it true or false?
It is true.
Can you select the correct option are given? So one is the best option for the question. The document we create is called
File. The document we create is called a file.
a group of files is stored under a common name is called
Folder. A group of files stored under a common name is called folder.
selected file appear on the screen.
Highlight. Selected files appear highlight on our screen.
Changing the same name, changing the name of any file and folder is called
Renaming. Changing the name of a file or folder is called renaming.
deleted file goes into
Deleted files goes into recycle bin.
write the name of main folder in Windows 10.
Documents, desktop, downloads, pictures and videos, and music.
What is the role of File Explorer in Windows 10?
Explorer is file management applications used by Windows operating system to browse folders and files. It provides the graphical interface for the user to navigate and access the files stored in the computer. The main way to access the file explorer.
How do we rename a file or folder?
Right click and name of the file or folder you wish to rename. Click rename on the menu that opens up. Type a new name for the file and press enter.
What is use of recycle bin?
The recycle bin is area where deleted files or folders are temporarily saved. User can retrieve files that have been deleted in Windows by using Recycle Bin.
Kamal has created files on different subjects and stored them on a desktop. By mistake, one of the file has been deleted. Tell him the way to restore his deleted files on the desktop. This is your turn.
As you already know, recycle all the deleted folders and files go to the recycle bin.
So now this is your turn. You give the answer of this question.